So in this video we are going to see 5 cases that are there in the second layer. So first case is this one, in which in the second layer we have one edge piece solved, and the other two are at the correct place but they are flipped. So they are flipped, green should be here and yellow should be here, so they are flipped. So this is the first case. So how to solve this case? Keep the two flipped pieces in front of you like this, and then do the formula, which is r prime l r l prime u and then l prime and then u prime and then l. So the cube is solved. So this is case 2, where you will see all the 3 pieces are unsolved. Okay, if you look at it closely, you will see one piece is like this, which can be solved. If you move it on top of it, it looks solved, and the other 2 pieces are flipped. So see, if I take it on top of this, it is flipped. So the 2 pieces are flipped and the third piece is not flipped. So we will keep that piece which is not flipped on the back and do this formula L U R and then U prime, R prime and L prime. So see, this is also solved. Okay, now this is case 3. So this is the opposite case of case 2. So in case 2 we are going clockwise. In this, the pieces should go to anti-clockwise direction. So see, this one should go to this place, this one should go to this place, and this one should go to this place. And one piece out of those 3 will be correct and other 2 will be flipped. So see which one is flipped. So this one is flipped, this one is not flipped, and this one is flipped. So keep that one, keeping the center solved. Keep that one on back, which is not flipped. So this one is solved. This solved means it is correctly placed. So we'll keep this one on back and do this formula, which is r prime, u prime and then l prime and then u and then l and then r. So the cube is solved. So this is case 4, where you see a pattern like this: 2 edges of same color but not solved, same color but not solved, and like this. So they are not solved. So in this we will see these green pieces should go to left at this place. These 2 yellow pieces should go to left on this place, and these 2 should go to this place. So we need to solve it clockwise. So these pieces should go to clockwise direction. So when we have a case where on all the sides we have 2 colors like this, both the edges have same colors, and it should go to left side. This yellow should go to left side or clockwise direction. Then this is case 4, and we are going to solve it using this formula: r prime, u prime, r, u prime, then r prime, u prime and r. It will be r. Now this is case 5. So it is also the opposite of case 4. So in this also the 2 colors are same on all the sides like this, eye pattern like this, and then these pieces should go to right side instead of left side. In the case 4, it should go to right side, means anti-clockwise it should go. So this is case 5. So to solve this, start from any direction and do this formula, which is r prime, u, r, u, r prime, u and r. So these were 5 cases which you will find in the second layer, which you can directly solve it with using these formulas. Thank you.